Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel eEducator. In this video, we are going to discuss Standard 10 subject Social Science, Chapter number 12 India, Minerals and Energy Resources. We discuss here about a textbook exercise here. With the previously number of textbook exercise are already uploaded in YouTube channels. So if you have not subscribed the channel, click on the subscribe button and see the playlist of our channel where you can find the other chapters videos exercise here. So here we'll discuss about the textbook exercise. Okay, let's start here. Okay, while writing the answers in the notebook, make sure that your handwriting must be neat and clean, and you write these answer a point wise. Okay, sure there you write these answer a point wise. Even the follow the same methods while writing the answers into the exam test, even in the board exams here. Sure there you'll write the answer in a point wise. Always write the answers them in the a point wise here. Let us discuss the weightage is okay. The weightage of a lesson number 12 as okay. The weightage is given as a 5 marks. Okay. The lesson number 10. Okay. What is the weightage of a lesson number? Sorry, 12. Lesson number 12. Lesson number 12 weightage is a 5 marks. Generally, in this lesson number 12, what kind of a questions are there in the board exams? Okay, there will be a 2 marks questions. There will be a 2 questions of a 2 marks here. Okay, there will be a 2 questions of 2 marks and one as a one objectives here, one as a objectives here. Okay, one as a objectives here. So lesson number 12, lesson number 13, these are the 2 lessons where there okay, there will be a questions of 2 marks. Okay, generally ज़्यादातर ये लेसन के अंदर से ओके 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस ही आते हैं. आप सेक्शन बी के अंदर देख लेना, जितने भी पहले वाले जो चैप्टर जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर है उसमें से देख लेना. ओके, बी सेक्शन के अंदर लेसन नंबर 12 के कितने क्वेश्चंस होते हैं? 2 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. Okay, let's start the discussions of this question answer here, textbook exercise. Okay, number 1 is answer the following questions in a detail. Give a detailed information about a mineral oil. Need to write about a mineral oil. What is the information about a mineral oil? Okay, so it is found in stratified rock strata containing limestone and shales, etc. Okay, found in stratified rock. Stratified means a sedimentary rock. Stratified rock को आप sedimentary rock भी बोल सकते हो. Okay, this sedimentary rock, we found this in the layer of a sedimentary rock. Okay, mineral oil, the crude oils are found from the stones and the different shells. Kind of a sedimentary shell, kind of a sedimentary rock. Now, in ancient times, animals and vegetations were buried in the interior of earth and were converted into the hydrocarbons. Okay, in ancient times, those large mammals were there, even that vegetations was there. They were buried into the interior of earth. They were buried into the interior of earth. And these, after the decaying of that, they transfer into the hydrocarbons. Okay, the dead bodies of animals, vegetations, they transfer into the hydrocarbons here. And these form the almost a liquid form, okay, transfer into the liquid forms. And due to this, okay, due to the tectonic movements of different plates of earth, movements of okay, that crust of earth, this the layer of these okay, form were gradually elevated to the surface here. तो नीचे दब गए थे वो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट की वजह से, वो जो लेयर था वो ऊपर की तरफ से आया and we obtain as a mineral oil. So some of them went towards the sea floors while some of stratas come up for the interior here. Because some of they were on a sea floor, बहुत सारे जो से वो sea floor की side भी चले गए as layers, and they came up from the interior part of earth here. Now in 1866, the first oil well was dug in Assam to find out oil. It's the first time okay, the well was dug 1866 to find out the oil in Assam. But the oil fields of India are divided into the 5 zones. Oil field of India are divided into the 5 zones. Number 1, oil fields of northeast, oil fields of Gujarat, oil fields of Bombay High. Bombay High, generally the oils are extracted from the ocean, Arabian Sea in Bombay here. So oil fields of eastern coast, and fifth number oil fields of Rajasthan. So oil fields of Gujarat, information regarding oil fields of Gujarat. So oil was first struck at a Lunage of a Kheda district in 1958 here. So 1958, a first time oil was found in a Kheda district. Name is a Lunage, Gujarat के अंदर Lunage 1958. Now presently the oil was found found at the Ankleshwar, Mehsana. Oil is found at Ankleshwar, Mehsana, Kalol, Navagam, Kosamba, Sanand. Oil is okay, is हो गया यहाँ पर. Oil is found at Ankleshwar, Mehsana, Kalol, Navagam, Kosamba, Sanand, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Vadodara, Bharuch, and in the city Bhavnagar district here. And large oil refineries of the world is located in Jamnagar. Okay, large oil refineries. The oil is extracted from this. Okay, and these oils are sent for the refining here. So oil refineries are located in Jamnagar here. Indian oil refineries are located some like in Guwahati, okay, Baruni, Koili, Cochin, Chennai, Mathura, Kolkata, Haldia. These are the places where we found the mineral oil refineries, where they refine the minerals, oils, and give us a petrol, diesel, that different things is provided us here. Second number, state the remedies to preserve the mineral. How minerals are preserved there. This, okay, how minerals are preserved. This is one of the important questions. एक या दो बार आ चुका हुआ क्वेश्चन है. State the remedies to preserve questions here. Okay, state the remedies to preserve the minerals here. Sorry. Now, the efficient and well-planned use of minerals is the preservation of minerals. Okay, efficient without wasting of minerals, we use them. Okay, that is considered the preservation of minerals here. Now, use of a proper technology, how we can preserve the minerals here, and use of a proper technology here. If a proper technology is used to obtain the minerals, the wastage of minerals can be reduced here. If we use a proper technology, proper instrument, so we can reduce the wastage of minerals. That wastage of minerals can be reduced with proper technology. Second, recycling the scrap of minerals like iron, copper, aluminium, and tin should be taken for reuse. Recycle whatever the metals are there, which can be recycled here. So scrap we can take them as a recycle, and we can use them that again. So recycle and reuse the minerals. Alternate use of minerals here. So alternate options should be found out of those minerals which are found less quantity. Those minerals which found a less quantity, तो मिनरल लेस क्वांटिटी के अंदर है, उनके जगह पर दूसरा यूज हो पाए, उसके वो वैसा हमें फाइंड करना चाहिए. लाइक सोलार एनर्जी instead of electricity generated through the coal, and through the atomic energy also generated electricity. So if we found another solar electricity, wind farm, these are the alternate use of generate the use of electricity here. Now aluminum instead of a copper, CNG instead of a petrol, okay, these are the alternate use as a mineral sorry, as a fuels in a vehicle. The use of a non-conventional mean, okay, a non-conventional source of resources should be used more here. And so non-conventional source like a water, solar, wind, biogas should be used increasingly. Though we need to develop the technology, and we need to use this non-conventional source of energy, renewable source of energy. You can also call them a renewable source of energy. Use of a renewable source of energy here. Okay, sustainability is the purity of environment and gift of a clean environment to the future generation. So presently what we okay, enjoying the pure and clean environments. Okay, so it also responsibility that our future generation also have this clean environment here. So the attempt should be made to of a pollution free environment here. We should make a pollution free environment here. Now after the reserve of a mineral cell calculate, it can be used for a long period of a planning, by planning it properly. So we need to do the surveys, and we can identify that, okay, which how much minerals are available, and with having a planning we can make a long-term use of these minerals which are available here. Question to answer the following questions point wise. We need to answer the questions into the point wise. State the uses of a limestone. What are the uses of a limestone? We need to use state the uses of a limestone. Now, the limestone is used in large quantity in the productions of a cement. Here, generally, it is used in the production of a cement. It is used for iron melting. Okay, so for melting of iron, this limestone is used. It is used for a chemical industry. Okay, it is used in soda ash, soap, color chemicals, building, constructions. We are using the this limestone, and it is used in a paper and sugar refining here. So it is used in a paper and sugar refining, soda ash, chemical, iron melting में हम क्या उसको limestone का use किया जाता है. Second number, state about mica. We need to write information about a mica. So it's a fire resistance. Mica is a minerals which is a fire resistance and bad conductor of electricity. Is a bad conductor of electricity. जिसमें electricity pass नहीं होती है, fire resistance रहता है, आग नहीं लगती जल्दी. So it is used in making electrical goods. The mica is used for making electrical goods. Okay, such as electric motors. Electric motor के अंदर mica का use किया जाता है. Dynamo बनाने के लिए, रेडियो, टेलीफोन, कार्स, स्टीमर्स के अंदर ये माइका का यूज किया जाता है. So there is a large of a Muscovite type of mica found in India. Muscovite type का जो mica है वो इंडिया के अंदर पाया जाता है. So India ranks first in the world in the mica productions. What is the rank of India? So India, what is the rank of India? India ranks first. India का first rank है in the production of mica. Mica के production के अंदर ये का first rank है. Which state produce mica most here? So Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, major producer of mica in India. So mica is also found in Karnataka, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu region. Third number, mention the utility of a copper. We need to write how the coppers are useful here. So copper is used since primitive times. Copper was used since primitive times, ancient times. And this was the first minerals used by the men. Which was the first mineral which used by the men? So this is the that a copper, which copper is used the first time. जो primitive men थे, आदि मानव थे, उनको बाद में पता चला कि धीरे धीरे पहले वो स्टोन का यूज करते थे. स्टोन के बाद में जैसे उसे ज्ञान नॉलेज हुआ, उन्होंने मिनरल यूज करना शुरू किया. सबसे पहले जो मिनरल उन्होंने फाउंड किया था वो कॉपर, कॉपर स्टोनेज जिसे जाना जाता है, टाइम पीरियड जाना जाता है हिस्ट्री के अंदर. So it is more important between its mixing property. कॉपर दूसरे मिनरल के साथ आराम से मिक्स भी कर सकते हैं. So when copper is mixed with the zinc, कॉपर को जिंक के साथ मिक्स किया जाता है, it forms as a brass metal. वो ब्रास मेटल फॉर्म करता है. And when copper is mixed with copper is mostly used in making of electric equipment. Copper is used for the electric equipment. Copper को electric equipment में भी use किया जाता है. So when copper is mixed with the tin, it may so copper mixed with the tin, bell metal is to form. And when copper is mixed with the zinc and copper का use करके वो brass बनाया जाता है. So it is used in a telephone, radio, televisions, refrigerators and air conditioners. Almost all the electric goods we use this copper. So thus it is good conductor of electricity. So copper is a good conductor of electricity. So it is also used as an insecticide, some explosive, colored glass, even coin and printing machinery के अंदर ये copper का use किया जाता है. Fourth number, write about the classification of minerals. We need to classify the minerals. So, the classification of minerals. Minerals are classified into metallic, non-metallic, and energy resource here. So, metallic minerals. So, metallic minerals like precious metallic minerals are gold, silver, and platinum are the precious metal. Light metallic minerals with a heavy or in terms of weight. The minerals are magnesium, bauxite, and titanium. Minerals used as alloys. Alloys means mix किसी और के साथ mix करने के लिए. Chromium, manganese, tungstens and vanadium they are used here. So minerals are used for the common purpose: iron, copper, lead, zinc, tin, etc. They are used commonly. Non-metallic minerals, this limestone, chalk, mica, asbestos, fluorspar, gypsums, and sulfurs, diamonds. These are considered as a non-metallic mineral. Third number, minerals used for energy resources here. So minerals which are used as a energy resources, like which provide us energy here. Okay, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, uranium, thorium. These are considered as a minerals as a energy used. Question number 3. Okay, answer the following questions in a brief. You need to write answer in a brief here. Number 1, modern age is known as a mineral age. Why? Okay, modern age is known as a mineral age. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन था, क्वेश्चन 1 में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का क्वेश्चन है, राइट अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो ये तो बीच में रह गया कि क्वेश्चन 1 के अंदर थर्ड नंबर का क्वेश्चन है टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर, राइट अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. टेक्स्ट बुक में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में कहीं दिया ही नहीं है. लेसन नंबर 12 में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में कुछ भी दिया ही नहीं है, तो वो क्वेश्चन मैंने यहाँ पर नहीं यूज किया है. जो क्वेश्चन 1 के अंदर थर्ड नंबर का क्वेश्चन टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है वो. Okay, so answer the following questions in a brief. Modern age is known as a mineral age. Why? So modern age, presently the modern age is known as a mineral age. Why? So today minerals are considered to be the backbone of economic development of any nation's backbone. So the minerals are required for the economic development of a countries here. So minerals have a large role in the human progress. Today, the contribution of minerals is notable in the making of a small pins to the large machine. Okay, minerals are required for manufacturing from the small pins to large machines. Minerals are used in a various way. Minerals is a natural resources. Naturally, it found there, natural resources, and man has used minerals in a wide way, and technical knowledge and modern equipment has been increased. So we are using this minerals in a various way. With the use of a technology, with use of a skill and technology, and more number of equipments available, so we are using minerals in a very various way. US, Russia have become world powers only due to the proper use of minerals. Proper use of minerals, this country become a superpower. So both the countries are rich in varieties of minerals and a prosperity. Both the country, US and Russia. Second number, why an increase in the uses of non-conventional energy today, non-conventional renewable energy. So resources like coal and minerals oil are available in limited quantity. So these are the conventional source of resources, coal and mineral oil, which are available in limited quantities. One day will be exhausted here. So we need to have alternate use of other resources here. So attempt started to conserve them for the longer time. Attempt has been started to conserve the minerals and a call for the long period of time. So wind energy, solar energy, biogas, tidal energy, geothermal energy are included as alternative resources instead of a coal and mineral. We are using this wind energy, solar energy, biogas energy. These are renewable source of energy. Geothermal energy has been used. So these are all renewable energy resources. So that is an increase of uses of non-conventional energy today. So some identify them as inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources which are not going to be exhaust here. Okay, can be renewable resources आराम से आपको मिल पाएंगे वो फ्यूचर के अंदर भी. So 1981 Commission for Additional Source of Energy (CASE) was established in India. Remember, these are the full forms. Can be for the one mark here. CASE Commissions for Additional Source of Energy. Moreover, Gujarat Energy Development Agency (GEDA) is working in this direction. Third number, state the major places where iron is available here. Major places in India where iron is available. Maximum iron ore is obtained from Karnataka in India. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh are other producer of respectively. These ions are available in these states also. Besides, ions also found in Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, and Assam. This the मैक्सिमम आयन कर्नाटक के अंदर से होता है, बाकी बहुत सारे दूसरे स्टेट से जहां से आयन मिलता है. Which state in India produce manganese? Manganese, Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Goa can be counted as a major states of producers of manganese. Beside this, okay, manganese is also obtained from Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, and Gujarat state. Okay, these are the answers of MCQ here. Look at what is the questions is given here. A school in Palanpur wants to show a biogas plant to its students. Standard 10. Which nearest place will that is selected here? Nearest place जो पालनपुर से नियर जो सबसे नजदीक वाला जो प्लेस आता है जहाँ पर बायोगैस प्लांट है तो वो आता है दांतीवाड़ा. ओके, इट इज अ दांतीवाड़ा. ये दुआरन नहीं है. ओके, दांतीवाड़ा आता है. Some officers from government of India wants to visit Gujarat to survey possibility of using geothermal energy in future in Gujarat. So which place should avoid? Which, remember the statement here. Look at which place they should avoid. Avoid means which place should not be visited by them. वो उसको visit करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो ऐसा कौन सा place है? तो तुलसी श्याम के अंदर जियोथर्मल एनर्जी अवेलेबल है. उनाई के अंदर भी है. लसुंद्रा के अंदर भी है. सापुतारा है जो हिल स्टेशन है वहां पर गर्म पानी के जो झरने बोले जाते हैं वो नहीं है. So C is the answer. Saputara यहाँ पर देते हैं. Match the correct pairs and find the answers here. We need to match the correct pair and need to find the correct answer here. Okay, wait. So that silver and platinum के अंदर थर्ड वन इज अ प्रीशियस मेटल. तो ए के अंदर थर्ड आंसर वैसा कौन सा है? वन. एक में वन है, टू है, एक ही ऑप्शन है. हाँ, तो आपको इजीली आंसर फाइंड करना है तो कोई एक पहले मैच कीजिए जो आपको आता है. दूसरे पहले सिल्वर है. सिल्वर प्लेटिनम क्या बोला जाता है? इसको प्रीशियस मेटल बोला जाता है. तो एक के अंदर थ्री है वैसा एक ही ऑप्शन है. ओके, मैग्नीशियम से लीड, निकल, टंगस्टन बाकी सब. तो बी के अंदर फोर आएगा. मैग्नीशियम these are light metallic minerals. Lead and nickel. C के अंदर mineral common use. Tungsten and vanadium. D के अंदर two mineral used as a mixed as alloys are used as alloys here. So B, C and again B option is here. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में अंदर भी आते हैं. B, C and B. Okay, these are the questions answer of lesson number 12. Remaining lesson will be uploaded as soon. I am working on it for the preparations of these videos here. So lesson number जो बाकी अभी 20, 21 जो बाकी है, lesson number 7 भी बाकी है, वो वीडियो जल्दी से मैं यहाँ पर अपलोड करूँगा. I hope this like videos and if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and share with your friend. If you have any query, you can send me in a comment box here. Thank you.